Please turn off your internet when you go to bed. Turn off your phone. Immediately when I turn off my internet, I can tell there is this a new quality of calm that comes into the space, that falls inside the space. And also, you probably know there are minerals that really help to protect you during the day. I'll show you my Shungite pieces. I have a square, I have a ball Shungite. It's a Shungite made in Karelia. It's a beautiful place of country of lakes. And I have this little pyramid, little triangle. So sometimes I keep it all three together right next to my head or where I sit. And inside my telephone, I also have a little piece of Shungite. You see? So this is my piece of Shungite that goes inside my phone. And happy ascension. See you guys.